Welcome to the step-by-step instructions on how to set up your Harlequin smart gauge from Magnus monitors. To get started, scan the QR code on the manual, which will allow you to download the app required to carry out the installation of the monitor. First, let's log in, using your Gmail account or your phone number. Then, select the option, Set up a new monitor. Please make sure to be close to the monitor, all through the setup process. Now click Next to agree to the permissions to access the location and Bluetooth, which will allow us to connect to the monitor. To activate the monitor, swipe the monitor over the barcode a few times. Select the monitor from the list. Monitor is now successfully connected to your phone. Select whether the monitor is already pre-installed on the tank, or if it is yet to be installed. App will guide you through the step-by-step process of physically placing the monitor on the tank. Now the app will request you to select your tank's model from the list. Please check the sticker on your tank for the correct model name. Monitor will now show the tank level information on the screen in centimeters for validation. Confirm the same. Next, give permission for the app to automatically check the tank level at regular intervals and alert you when needed. Next, please enter your contact details for support and warranty purposes. We are nearly there. Confirm to complete the installation. Please note, for reliable connection with the monitor in the future, ensure there is a clear path between your phone and the monitor. Now the app will show the tank level information on the screen. Threshold alerts will be shown when the tank level goes below a critical amount, which can be configured. Information like usage rate and days to empty will show up over the next few days as the monitor learns your usage pattern. Thanks for choosing Harlequin Smart Gauge, powered by Magnus monitors.